So this time of the year, after you put your grease bands on or your grease or you've tidied everything up, we'll do a winter tree wash, which just cleans the trees up, ready for the spring. It's not like tar oil, which used to kill anything and everything. That's gone now. So the winter tree wash that you can get from Ashridge website is a blend of natural oils and surfactants, and this will remove insect debris, dust, dirt, and other substances where the pests have laid their eggs. So it'll wash the eggs off as well. Once you've kind of removed the eggs, nothing will hatch on the tree in the spring, so you won't get as many problems as you would do if you just left the tree. This also removes some fungal spores as well, which can cause problems in the spring when the leaves are just starting to open. Apply this on a cool, calm day, November to February, when there's no leaves on the trees, and this will just clean the tree up, ready for the spring. If you've got a big tree, you'll probably need a knapsack or one of the 5 litre sprayers, a set of step ladders, so you can safely climb up to the top of the tree. This morning though, we're just going to do a small tree, so we've just got a litre spray bottle. We'll read the instructions on the back. So we've got 1 litre of water in there, and you need 50 mils this winter wash to add to the water. So it gives you a little measuring vial there. So take the top off. It's got child-proof lock. So just squeeze the bottle, and then you'll see the winter wash going up in there. Just squeeze it gently until you get to that 25 ml mark there. So just pour it in, and then squeeze it gently again, and you'll see all this coming up the side. Just till it fills up to 25 mils again. There you go. And then pour it in. Make sure you mix the solution together. So give it a good shake before you apply it. So what you want to do is you want to spray the whole tree, so everything all the way up, but just pay particular attention to the little nooks and crannies in here. So this is where the eggs and all the other bugs will be hiding out. So just start at the bottom, work your way up, give it a good coverage. Put that down on the floor. So just kind of aim down and just kind of get it in there, get it in the little nooks and crannies everywhere, and give it a real good soak. And that's it. And we should see some improvement in the spring.